Hello and welcome back. What more can I say? What more does a photographer want? Look at the reflections, look at the clouds, look at the light. It's just something else. The feeling I'm getting when I'm here is so peaceful. It's brilliant, it's super. Lots of panos going, whether they're working or not, it's another thing. Lots of panos going, and then picking out sections like Kidder Idris up there in the background, the estuary, the bridge running over from Barmouth. But we've also going to try and search and try and grab some other photos. There's an old boat here, things like that. Getting a nice end of the day warmth in the low sun, which is nice. So I've actually come around this little bit here. I'm right on the water's edge now, and we know the tide's coming in. But there's a little estuary here, right on the other side of this water, leading you up to the mountains there. So I'm trying to just let that draw you in slightly. Hope it's going to work, to be honest. But it's a big vista shot. It's a big vista shot. It's super. I'm loving this. I'm loving the peace and quiet. So here's the thing. I'm photographing this boat. The problem I've realised straight away, and it frustrates me because I should have realised it over there, is the boat's pointing the wrong way. But I'm still taking the image. What a shame the boat's pointing the wrong way. But it's going to be, because as the water pulls out, it's going to pull that way. That is frustrating. But it's still a nice shot. I like it. I've come round to this bit. We're on this bit of a mud flat that looks like it's been washed away recently. So it's slippy. So not the best. But my actual tripod is actually in the water at the moment, trying to get a reflection of this boat. But I'm actually quite liking it from where I stand here as well. So I'm going to come up and take it again. Boat looks fantastic. Old rust, but it's still moored up actually, which I suppose it would be, but it looks absolutely had it. It's had its day. And behind is Kidder Idris with a lovely skirt of cloud over it. So it's looking really nice. The other option would be to move back and get the zoom lens in and try and compress that together. So I may have solved the problem. What I've come round is I've come round a little bit more. The boat now I can put on the right hand third with a lovely mountain in the background. The only problem I've got with that is I'm getting no reflection in the water, but I have a plan, and the plan is wait till the tide comes in a bit, I'll get the reflection. That would work, and it's a nice composition as well, it really is. So you've just been shooting the boat.
Yeah.
What I felt there was a problem with the boat. Mm-hmm. Did you feel or sense anything? What was your thought? What's your thoughts on the composition?
Yeah, it's not floating.
Ah, no.
No. My thoughts are.
Might be in a minute.
What I thought your thoughts were is that the boat is pointing out of frame.
Absolutely bang on. I knew he'd get it straight away. I knew it. That's my thoughts exactly. Yeah. As soon as I went over there, I thought, why didn't I spot it straight away? The boat is pointing the wrong way.
It still works for me.
It still does. I think it still does.
Because, okay, it is pointing out of frame.
Yeah.
But it sets the scene. It's a photo of this area.
Yeah.
You know,
yeah.
you know you're by the coast, and you know you've got mountains in the background.
Yeah.
And if you balance the boat against Cadair Idris in the background,
it still works.
It works quite nicely.
I think it still works. Yeah. I thought it would frustrate me more than what it actually did. But what I did was actually walk a bit further round and got it pointing towards me a little bit more, rather than away, out.
That's why he's a proper photographer.
but then the problem is I'd lost this reflection. Yeah. So what I did say is I would come back in a minute and give it half an hour, which I've done. Wait till the water comes around it a little bit and try and get that same shot, but with a bit of a reflection in there, because I think it'd be a better shot.
Good idea.
Yeah, you could see it over there. It just didn't occur to me. But as soon as I come around there and put the camera down, I'm thinking the boat's facing out of the shot.
Yeah.
But like you say, it still feels as if it works, and with that light on it, it just looks fantastic.
The light is beautiful.
Yeah. So we've come over the little sand dune here, but I'm still shooting the boat. So I'm getting the boat coming through the little walkway through the sand dune grasses. I've blurred the grasses out. I've tried it different ways. I've focus stacked. Not sure which I prefer. I think probably the blurred grass as it's coming round. Lovely light on the grass. Light still shining on that boat, and we managed to capture the mountain in the background as well. It's a beautiful shot. Could be my favourite of the day. Could be. What a day. What a day. So as we watch the sunset, I think I've done. I think I've had my time here, and I just want to take this sunset in and just watch it drop, to be honest. So I hope you've enjoyed it from this location. Lots of boat shots, bit of dronage, got more than a man want. Thanks for watching. Watch this sunset with me, and I'll see you soon.